Okay, what is a event? Event is if anything occurs. Very simply say any detectable occurrence that has significant. So I put a significance only. Actually, I have a definitions in here only. I have a definitions. So one second. ITL, when I took ITL, batch 3 I took an ITL. Yeah, here it is. It is everything is here only. Okay, I will take it and copy for you. Change management is also here. So we'll see. First of all, we'll copy. Here it is. So event, any detectable occurrence that signifies for the IT infrastructure management. What is this event? So again, we'll see the event part here. Any, what is this event? Again, any detectable occurrence. Any detectable occurrence. It means normally for our infrastructure we have a monitoring system is there. Okay, we have a monitoring system is there. So different type of monitoring systems are there. So usually like normally our Windows operating system has its own event logs are there. So in Windows we have a event viewer, so we can understand from the event viewer. So what is happen, are you login successful, log out successful, application install successful, or a disk is full, or a disk is online, you format the PC, okay, system services run, so file system accessible, okay, this kind of stuff, okay, this quota is completed. These are all events will occur, right? So that is event viewer. And normal monitoring systems also there, like each and every PC we can't monitor, right? So each and every PC can't go and monitor, so we put a centralized monitoring system, okay. Also we use a protocol called a SNMP protocol. In a SNMP protocol based monitoring systems also there. Simple network management protocol. What is the port number? Hmm? Port numbers are like a ghost only.
40, sir.
40. No. 160, 161. Okay, SNMP based protocols are also there. So using SNMP also we do monitoring things. It's a very simply understand. So you have a huge infrastructure is there. For example, you have a routers, switches, servers, storage servers, sorry, storage servers, okay, database servers, okay. So different in parts of your infrastructure is there, which you are monitoring, like is all routers are working or not, is a switch is functioning or not, how much traffic is in a switch, how much traffic in a router, okay, how your servers are running, Normal systems, normal computers are there, no, in a like LAN connection we have a computers. How these computers are running or not, their network is connected or not, performance of that computer. So CPU is running without more burden, so less burden it is running or more burden. What is the burden on your CPU one? How DHCP server is running, how DNS server is working, how user storage space is available, how much storage space is available, um, user queries are going or not. So you have a database server. The symbolic representation is like this. So like a cylinder is a database server. Okay. So we are putting a data, right? So we put a data and we are accessing the data. We keep the data and as well as we access the data. So retrieve the data, also insert the data, retrieve the data, and query the data, right? So is the data transactions are good or not, how much database is now, so whether data is can be easily accessible or not, like that we can able to monitor these things. Okay, so this is a centralized monitoring system. Different type of monitorings are we are using. So here I will write some monitoring system computer type. Nagi OS, one of the thing. Zibix. Zibix is a one other thing. Sensu, I told. Okay, Sensu, Open Sensu. Sensu, one of the thing. Okay, New Relay, application performance monitoring related one. Okay, Nagi OS and Zibix, infrastructure monitoring. Okay, log analysis. For that one, Splunk. Okay, Splunk is a one of the tool. Like you can put it in a Google also. What are the monitoring applications are there? So you will get a lot of monitoring related one. SolarWinds. SolarWinds also providing some monitoring tools. Um, PRTG, PRTG, the monitoring application. I tried this one. It worked for a few days and later it is not working. Okay, PRTG, PRTG monitoring system name is PRTG. SolarWinds PRTG. Okay, like that. So WhatsApp Gold, like that it is there. Different monitoring systems to monitor. So what is going on with your infrastructure, what is going on with your infrastructure. So based on the monitoring, so we'll get a different kind of events. So fun one is like a informational or a information kind of stuff. What is this information? If device is online, information. Login successful. Okay. Remote application login is successful or a login successful. Remote login successful or just login successful, you can put it. Okay, transaction. Transaction or a payment successful, is there, no? Payment successful. Okay, this is like a information means good. Information means good. Next type is a warning. Warning kind of events will occur. Warnings means, for example, a disk failed. A disk failed in a redundancy. For example, RAID 5. RAID 5 disk failure. Okay, or maybe means service is running, but disk is failure, not totally damaged, right? So redundancy, not failure. So one part of redundancy failure. Just example I'm telling. So redundancy failure, not total service is not failure. Just the server is failure, but it is still running, kind of stuff. Maybe we can say disk is full or a quota full, quota full. So you done a quota is about to full. So these are warnings.
I can't get that for you.
Of, okay, quota full, disk full. Okay, network is busy. Okay, network more collisions are occur, or network is busy, the switch is very busy. Okay, like that. So we can see it's a warning type only. Next one is error type. Error or exception type. Error type is like a server down. Okay, disk failure means redundancy, total redundancy failure. Okay, lost network connection. Okay, server down, service down, server down, service down. These are errors. So based on your event monitoring, so when you are getting some information, so okay, good. But if you are getting warning or errors, immediately you have to respond it. There is a system called alerting system. Okay, what is this alert? A warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or a failure is occur. Okay, so what we do, so in a event monitoring system, if any warning is generated or maybe error is occurred, immediately generate a alert. So simply like a notification, or a simply red light, red or a yellow below with the triangle shape is there, no? So yellow for a warning, red for a error. So immediately some notification for a monitoring people, so they will tell to the team, so there is a issues occur, immediately go and fix it kind of stuff. So that is the main part of event. Okay, what is a event? First we have to define event: any detectable occurrence that has a significance for a IT infrastructure management. Any detectable occurrence, different type of events: information, warning and error. Okay, like next one is alert. Alert is a warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or a failure. Okay, something changes occur, or maybe redundancy failure, or maybe application is not installed, failed to install, services failed. So anything which generate a alert. Next one is incident. Incident is very important. So incident means unplanned interruption to the IT services called a incident. Unplanned interruption, incident, unplanned interruption. What is the unplanned interruption? Server down, services down, failure is occur. So incident is occurrence. So how this incident is occurs? Okay, so unplanned interruption means service down, server down, disk failure, okay, lost connections, lost network connections, okay, lost network connection. Okay, so what happened? This is the incident is occurred. So how incident is means directly incident won't occur. How incident will be notified? So how incident will be notified is like from event event monitoring system. Okay, so event monitoring system send an alert notification, so it will generate automatically a incident. So this is the incident, and it will assign to some team, so they will go and fix the issues. Okay, that is from event monitoring system you will get it. Or maybe user user will inform my desktop is there, my desktop is not working now, or maybe unable to send a mail. Maybe my I'm getting mail communication error. So like that I will complain directly to the service desk. So I will send information to service desk using telephone. I can call to the service desk using telephone, or maybe I will send a mail. Maybe I will send a self portal service is there. Means there is a service portal like a Nagi OS. These are all also provide a complaint services. Okay, like if I'm not getting internet, I'm not getting internet. So I will open my web application. Then I will raise the complaint from there. For example, Gazon. So this is my internet service provider. For example, if I'm not getting internet, so then what I will do, so I will log into this service. So we can't log in browser. We can log in. Yeah, is available in so many Maharashtra places only. Like premium support, login is not there. Okay, this is my internet. So we have a 14 days left to pay. Okay. um, so this is help desk. So what I'm doing is already these are my complaints. Now I want to raise the complaint. So click on a raise ticket. So which kind of like I want to, I'm shifting speed issues, service, billing issues, KYC details. I want to request a new connection. Okay, refund or extend, cable related services, errors, software issues, like that you have to complain. For example, internet is not working, right? So service related one. So unavailable internet, slow speed, backup problem, router configuration, no connectivity or limited connectivity, router issues, slow browsing, KYC update, and others like that. Like that, I can now it is working, so don't do it. Okay, understand, guys? We can able to give complaint directly. What happened when I raise the ticket? Can you see there is a number? Each ticket has a number, and here it is a when it is created. For example, morning 11 o'clock, I'm disconnected, I'm internet is not working. Morning 11 o'clock, internet is not working. I complained at 12 o'clock. I complained at 12 o'clock. What happened? If I scold the person now, from last 1 hour I don't get a internet, no use. No use, because when we given a complaint, then only it is considered as an incident. So I raised the incident. Incident is occur, then notify incident at 12 o'clock only, not 11 o'clock. But they didn't respond for up to 1 o'clock, then we can raise the that is already 1 hour is completed, but still people are not responding to me. So like that, we can tell. But when I raise the complaint, that is will be noted down. So when it is incident is created. Next, once problem is solved, closed. If it is a showing open, means problem not yet solved. Closed means problem solved. Without completion of the problem, without solving the problem is not solved, but my status turned into the closed. Then what to do? Again, we have to tell raise the complaint, call the people. So problem is not solved. So why should you close the thing? Okay, right? So like that. So this is my internet kind of stuff. So self portal services. Okay, guys, understand how to raise the complaint, how to raise the incident. So incident from monitoring system, incident from user to the service desk using telephone, email, or a self portal services. We can raise the incident. So once incident is occur, what to do? Check check the incident. Check the what is the incident. So what is that incident? So what are the actions to be taken? To be taken. What are the actions to be taken? How to solve the problem? Okay. So first, fix the issues. as soon as possible. Okay, as soon as possible, fix the issue first, fix the issues. Okay, so and once you fix the issues, okay, note down. Okay, note down what actions you are taken. Okay, when it solved, and other observations. Anything you want to point to be noted, anything is there, note down that one, and close it. So first incident is occur, check the incident. It means it's open. Meaning is open. Means first we open the incident, check the incident, and what are the actions to be taken, and fix the issues. Troubleshooting. Fix the issues means you fix it. Note down what actions are you taken. Close it. Close with a note. Okay. So this is problem is solved like that. Last one is survey. What is survey? This customer is okay, now working, not working, test it. Okay, before you close itself, you have to test it. Problem is solved or not. Test it. Issue resolved. Issue is resolved. Test it and close it, and note down that closer and take a survey from the customer. So this is the incident management. So again, very important is simple incident management. Unplanned interruption. Unplanned interruption can be any example, we can take it like a server down, disk down, tire puncture. Okay, so non-IT examples also you can regularly you can tell. For example, you have a bike, you are going somewhere, your tire is punctured, punch. Okay, bike tire puncture, pipe leaking, that is my example. Pipe leaking, one of the example is okay, like fuse blown, power cut, pillar pole is down, like that it is. Transformer is burned. So all are a natural incident, and so unplanned interruption, so you don't plan anything, suddenly it is occur. So that is a incident. Don't say road accidents. Don't say road accidents kind of stuff. We can't relate things to others. Next is a problem. Next one is a problem. Problem management is unknown root cause of one or more incident. Unknown root cause of one or more incident. What is unknown root cause of one or more incident? For example, a incident is occur and you don't know why this incident is occur. If you are try to fix it, but it's not fixing permanently, you are getting same incident again and again. For example, RAM has a problem, server is down. You went there and you open the cabinet and put the RAM back, and now it is working. After 2 3 days, again same problem. It is a repetition of incident. Same incident is repeating, and root cause we don't know why this incident is occur. Why incident is occur? For example, you are going on a road, bike puncture. Okay, you put some incident, immediately you solve the problem, and you are going. But almost or frequently the tire is getting puncture. Almost frequently the incident is occurring again and again. You don't know why it is occur. Where is the problem? Where is the problem? So then find out. Finding root cause is important. So everything is an incident only. First time it is occurs. Okay, so that is an incident. Everything is an incident. We have to consider incident as a problem only when, if you don't know the root cause. Okay, you don't know the root cause of it, or the incident occurs again and again. Incident is occurring again and again. So first of all, what is the problem solutions? Find out the root cause of that incident. Finding root cause of that incident, solve it. So we have to find out root cause of that one. Next, find permanent solution. Find out, find out permanent solution. Uh, so then you don't. So then, the incident won't occurs again and again. Means so many times if there is a problem, you go and fix it. There is a problem again. You lot of money, lot of things you are spending on it. So what you have to do? Everything is an incident. Only thing is when incident is occur, we try to fix it, but sometimes it won't fixable because we don't know why it is occur. Second one is even you fix it, you may get a incident again and again. So that we consider as a problem. Understand, guys? What is a problem? It is nothing but an incident. You try to fix the incident. We cannot able to fix the incident because of we don't know why this incident is occur. We don't know how to solve the problem. Next one is even you fixed it, incident is occurring again and again. So that is called a unknown root cause and it is repetition of incident. We have to consider that incident as a problem. We have to consider that incident as a problem. So first of all, what to do? Find out the root cause, why it is occurs. Find out the permanent solutions. Okay, so once you solve, you won't get a incident again and again. So it may require change. It may require change. Okay, so then we'll see the what is change management also. Okay, so again same thing as incident. Once we consider incident as a problem, once we consider incident as a problem, we have to close the incident and note down this is not an incident now, it is we consider as a problem, will take a time. Okay, we have to open the problem, find out what are the actions you have to take and take it, fix it, note down what are the solutions you made it, close it and take a survey. So it's a very simple thing. Now problem is there, right? So next problem, change. Again, what is change? All modification to IT infrastructure or it is related to document managed by change management process. Change management process. So other thing of change management is I note down this here. I don't know. Here it is. This is about change management. I put it here. So change management is aim to control life cycles of all changes. Primarily object of change management enable beneficial changes to be made with the minimum disruption to IT services. Normal change, emergency change. What is this change management? For example, you may require to change the code. Okay, so it can be a change of code or a change of service. It can be a change of a service or it can be a change of infrastructure. Infra means infrastructure. Just to try to understand. Okay, change of infrastructure, like you want to change the RAM or updates. Okay, updates and upgrades. Okay, upgradations. So when you are changing something, you must to notify the other team people that is I'm going to update this one, upgrading this one. So compulsory there is a management team is there. So that is called a change advisory board. Change advi advisory board. BOARD. Okay. What is the change advisory board? Means a user can be asking for a change. For example, mine is a 50 Mbps. Now I want 100 Mbps. Example, I have a 50 Mbps internet. I want to 100 Mbps. One change leaded to another change. For example, my cable may not support, so I have to change my cable also. Maybe my payment I have to pay extra money for 100 Mbps, right? I have to pay extra for 100 Mbps. My cable may not be support. Check the cable. My router is supporting or not. We don't know. So 100 Mbps, 50 Mbps up to okay, but 100 Mbps router may not support that one. Okay. Availability. First of all, my service provider is able to provide the 100 Mbps or not. Simple change, right? I'm asking 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps change. But you have to verify all these things. Then only if everything is good, then only we can go for changes. Okay, after changes, if everything is good, then go for change. Okay, example is as a one more point like any changes you do is any dependent changes are there. Any dependent changes required. So like this, dependent changes are required. So that if everything is good, no need to change everything, or maybe everything we can able to change. So then you can go good, then go for a change. After changing, again test it to make sure whether you can able to change. Test the change and change it. Again test it, and finally they close. Okay, like this. There is a closure is also there for everything. And note down what are the changes you made it. Okay, note down what are the changes you made it. Okay, this is change management. So I note down few things from the I put as some changes. Normal changes, emergency change. For example, you want to upgrade your server. So then compulsory you have to put it. So I want to upgrade my server, I want to increase my RAM and processing capacity. So I want this change, or you want to upgrade your operating system or maybe application. So what are the changes, what are the effect of that changes, any issues will occur. Okay, if you need to change something, you have to change other thing. One change may lead it to another change. Sometimes a change can be ideal type, means independent it. So like that. So they find out who authorize your service, authorize your changes. So there is a authorized person, manager is there, no? Manager or a product manager or a delivery manager, people are there, right? So they will okay with the changes, you can go for a change. That is normal change, it will process based. Okay, it is a procedure, step by step you have to follow. That is a normal change. Emergency change, disk failure. Are you waiting for a go for a full authorization, full steps? We don't follow. Disk failure, immediately you have to change the disk. Okay, so then otherwise what happen? The service will down. You have a RAID 3, so RAID 5 is there. So three disks are there, one disk is failure. So what you will do? Immediately go and change the disk. Otherwise, it leaded to another disk failure. Meanwhile, your service is down. So to avoid that one, so change immediately, but you have to notify after changes. Okay, so that is emergency change. uh, one or two things are there. Workaround and incident management are related. Workaround means if any incident is occur, so normally we don't try to find a complete solution. We'll go and fix it. Incident is occur, go and fix it only. Unplanned interruption is occur, immediately you have to fix it. One, so either it can be a temporary or permanent fix. Sometimes it is works as a permanent, or can be it is a temporary. So immediately go and fix it first. For example, pipe is leaking. What to do? Put a M seal. No need to plan like a changing of pipe and all. So simply you put a M seal. But still it is leaking. Again and again it is working. So I given this example to one person. She told in interview directly pipe leak, because that time I got this problem. I given a example of this one. So in my kitchen in my previous home, I got this one. Guys, understand pipe leakage. So pipe leaking is incident. Incident is occur. Now what is the solutions? Put a gum seal. Put a M seal. Problem is solved, but it is temporary one only. After few days, it's leaking again. What to do? Incident is occur. I put an cell. Problem is solved. Incident is completed. Now again leaking. I put another MC like that. It is happened. So, but I have to consider incident as incident as problem. I have to consider this incident as a problem. Okay, I have to consider this incident as a problem. Then find permanent solution, and also root cause. Maybe I require a change. For example, I want to change pipe may solve the problem. So what I need to contact change management, right? Change management. So pipe, change of pipe is can we change it or not? How much pipe is required? So easy pipe will be fit easily or not? So can we able to change or not like that? Okay. So it can be solve the problem. So then I won't get a incident. So this is one of the example I told like that. Last two or one is there. So we'll once again incident change. Yeah, service request. What is a service request? Same as told, change and service request is a related one. For example, um, service request. What is a service request? For example, I want access permission like a VPN. I need a VPN. Like I want to do work from home. So VPN access service request. Or maybe I want some information. Want some information to service request. A query. Okay. I want speed up my internet speed. Okay, or maybe my change address. These are all a service request only. Okay, request for a bill or a bill payment. Request for a bill. I want a bill. Okay, this is all comes under service request only. Next one is access management. Access management is permissions to access. Okay, authorize authorization, access authorization. Okay, for example, I'm an employee. I can go to my office, so but I have to show my ID card to go into office. I join in a new company. HR will create a permission for me. Means login IDs will come. Now you are going to join in a Cognizant. So when you are joining a Cognizant, once you give the all the details, HR send a information to create a credentials. Okay. Mm, please join in a new company step by step. So your HR send your details to system admin or who are there. So I put a system admin. So you'll create user ID, passwords, emails, or any login or entry kind of stuff. Okay. So like a thumb impressions, biometric, everything will be created. So login, working. What happened? So after a few days, you change your branch changed, branch change. You transfer branch or a transfer. What happened? Credentials are promoted. Access permissions will be changed automatically. Because you, for example, you are now junior admin. After 2 years, you will become a cloud admin. Then your currently working thing will be changed. That access will be changed to other access. So access will be changes. Okay. Next one. You fired or maybe resignation. No retirements, resignation or a death only. You resign. So disable all permissions. Maybe you are in a leave. So your leave or resignation. So automatically all permissions will be disabled. Okay. IT company, secret of IT company, not only IT company, any private, and mainly this kind of credential part. You are a greatest person when you are leaving. At the time of leaving, everybody will prize you. Okay, you are a great person, kind of stuff. And where am I typing all these things? Oh, correct. Here only. Okay. So what I'm saying is, when you are leaving, people will tell you're a brother like me. I learned so many. Uh, I learned so many things. He's a very so much funny guy. Okay, they will tell so many things at the time of leaving. While working, you are a useless fellow. When you are leaving, you are a greatest asset. And after leaving, who are you? Understand, guys? While working, you are useless. Okay, and while leaving, you are great. After leaving, okay, after leaving, okay, or after leave or left, past tense, or just left. You done today? Today is the last date. So tomorrow, who are you? That is our organizations. Okay. So that is on record. We should not tell, but I told. Remember this point always. It means no access. Who are you means you don't get an access. If you want to meet anyone in that one, you can't go to office. You have to call outside and then only you can do it. Okay, guys, these are all about your these statements. Okay, these are all in a service operations. I didn't go complete service operations and all. And service desk is one more thing is there. Service desk. The explanation parts, right? So I want to go down to the service operations. Main part is a service desk. Desk is a single contact point. So single contact means understand service desk. This is my service desk. Here is my users are there. Here my users are there. If user is getting a problem, contact service desk. Service desk people will understand what is the issue is occur, okay, and they'll raise the ticket to the appropriate team. So they'll forward this. They'll create a ticket and forward the ticket to the appropriate team. The team will go and verify and solve the problem and they close the ticket. It means service desk is an intermediate between your users and technical people. Okay, understand the customers also important in a service desk, and your profile is non-service desk only, but understand the service desk. Different type of service desk and different type of customers wise access is there. Currently I try to raise the ticket, right? So I am from my portal. So I want to give a complaint like a internet is not working. So what I am doing, I'm using a portal. I am try to contact service desk. This is a service desk application. I open it and raise the complaint. So this is be forward to a technical team, like a networking technical team. So they will check it. For example, my complaint is for a billing. Then customer support people will verify what is happening to my billing. They will try to support me. So this is a service desk for an intermediate between organization and users. Okay, it is a center point of users and organization. So that is a service desk. And my main point is I'm a user. I'm a external user. I'm a external user. Okay, I'm a external user. So I will put it again. There is a different type of customers are there. External, mm, internal, external user, internal users mainly. External users are usually like a public users. Okay, internal users are a in-house users means same company. For example, I got an issue in my organization. I will ask my service desk person. I will complain to my service desk people. Means both are working in a same organization. Both are working in a same organizations. In external, two type is there. One is public. Public means like me or like you. It's a public one. Next one is like a other organization. User in a other organization. For example, I'm running a data center. So I create a server for my one of my client. So I put all the web services. I'm maintaining his website web servicer. I'm maintaining his web server, and he's a user. Okay, he create a website and post the website, but I'm maintaining his web server. So what I'm doing now, two organizations. So my organization maintaining service desk, compliance and all, technical team, and other organization using my infrastructure. So that organization also considered as a external customer. Public customers means any customer, they don't have an organization to organization agreement. Okay, like that. Where I said OLA, SLA, find out what is a OLA. Operation level agreement. Okay, operational level agreement. Operational level agreement is organization to organization level agreement. Means usually like operational level agreement is a internal or a external customer, between the internal customers or a external customers. Service level agreement is a operational level agreement. Service level agreement, again simple, it is service provider and customer. Customer can be anyone. Otherwise, I think I note down OLA. Still confused between two pages. Yeah, it's between IT service provider, other part of same organization governing of infrastructure. Means, for example, I am maintaining data center. For example, I am maintaining my data center. Okay, and my users are using like a private cloud. Think like a private cloud. OLA is like a private cloud. Customers and provider both are in the same organization only. Okay, so that is organizational level agreement. Guys, are you okay? Are you still alive? Anyone? Hmm? Still alive? Okay, very good. What you will do? Um, just relax for 2 minutes. I will pause everything. Just I'm pausing.